Hi everyone and welcome back. Glad you can join us. Tonight we're going to do our unboxing. We've got a new DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro adventure combination. Let's open and see what's inside of it.
Yeah, so here we've got a very little box. You've got two little boxes as well, accessories, and the second one was with the combo. Here we've got first item, which is our extension rod. So the combo comes with the extension rod. Feels slightly heavier to normal selfie stick and more grippy as well and more sturdy.
Yes.
Better quality for sure.
Certainly quite sturdy. It's also, once you've got a few of this wrapping off, you can see that it's extendable as well. Got to give it a little tiny twirl here because it's new, so got to loosen it a little bit. So here we go. Then you'll see it. There you go. It's nice and extendable. It's a nicely. It's quite thick. Well designed as well.
It's very long as well, and it's open quite smooth. Here we've got in the box some accessories. We're gonna have here some attachments for the rod. We've got some instruction pack. Here we've got USB lead for the charging. This is some like instruction, safety book, setup guide, and warranty, I would assume. It's probably needed, but we're gonna look at that a little bit later. Let's move on to the actual accessories again.
So we'll look here. So here we have now.
With lots of these small bits
gadgets
and pieces.
This all connects to your camera, keeps it nice and safe when you're doing sort of like any sort of adventure things like hiking. There's your
application. You just scan the code and download it to your phone, so you can do the editing on your phone. And here we've got battery pack. So the combo comes with accessories, battery pack, and include 3 batteries. The batteries are slightly bigger and gonna hold a little bit longer.
They last up to 4 hours, so they're really good for the day, depending on the activity.
It's good to definitely have another one spare on the go. So it depends on what settings you're recording. It's gonna hold up to 4 hours. With 3 is pretty much covering for the entire day.
Very good. So
here we've got the case.
Yeah. Okay, this casing is obviously protects the camera. From dust and if you happen to drop it by accident.
Some more little bits and bobs.
Yeah. This is here what you stick to. You can stick it to a hat, a helmet, or whatever if you're going to do some hiking or skiing or go for a jog.
It has that nice self-adhesive tape. It's gonna hold quite nicely. This is that magnetic attachment for the camera. You put it to the camera and to the selfie stick, and that's how you connect it. Here you've got a nice and grippy case, protective case. And here we're coming to the actual device.
This is the camera. So this is your Action Pro.
This is the Action 5. It doesn't look much bigger or different to the previous version. Here you've got you put the battery there. Here is where you attach that magnetic attachment for the rod. Nice and sturdy, feels very secure.
The camera is actually quite light, and it feels very nice in your hand as well.
Yeah, and so let's have a look. Let's put the battery and see whether we'll be able to use it without the installation pack.
There you are. So there's the battery space that goes in nice and neat, and it holds very well. So it keeps the battery nice and sturdy as well inside, so it doesn't move and rock around.
Here's where you charge it. The camera comes with a internal memory, but you can you can buy extra memory and just stick the card in there for the extra storage if you need it on the go.
And there's the casing. We put the casing on now. See how that slides in nice and easily. So that's added protection. Let's see if we can secure it. Turn it on. See what happens.
quite handy that it comes with all the accessories, the basic accessories that everybody definitely needs with the new camera, really, because in case you drop it, you don't really want to damage it, scratch it. Yeah, and here we've got yeah, we can turn it on probably once or twice without using the application, because obviously we need to pair it. And yeah, it's like everything is touch screen. Here you've got the screens on both ends. You can also buy additional lenses for it, which is quite handy. I think we're gonna go and give it a go, play around a little bit in different settings and stuff like that.
It looks like it's got good playback as well, so you can see what we've done.
Yeah, we're gonna have to test it for a little bit now, but here is Action 5 Pro combo adventure combo pack. Thanks for watching. Let us know what you think. Let us know whether you're thinking of buying one, whether you already have one, perhaps whether you've got this one, the previous model, or whether you've got completely different camera, what you're using for your adventure videos and pictures.
Yeah, just and only if you just want to join us and watch what we do, and make sure you hit that like and subscribe button as well.
Yeah, hit the like, subscribe, comment down below. Let's have a look a little bit more on the actual camera and see whether we can show you a little bit more. This is pretty much it, I think, for today. In the next few days we're going for the event in O2 Arena. We're going to MMA fights, so probably that's gonna be first time when we'll be actually testing the camera and in the real inside light and daylight as well, so we'll see different.
See what the noise effect is like and the air quality. So we should have some good, hopefully some good pictures and good recordings. So yeah, we'll see you on the other side.
Yes, definitely. And this was an unboxing, and definitely we're gonna come back to you with an actual review. Thanks for watching. Give us like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more, and
yeah, we'll see you on the other side.